So we hear all the time from you guys in the comment section asking how much builds cost, how much you can absolutely spend on each build. I'm Lawson. You can find me at lawson.co on Instagram, and in today's video we're going to be doing just that. We pinned two Cummins up against each other, one more of a show build, one more of a daily driver build, and we're going to be going through the list of parts and how much each part costs. If you guys need any sort of parts, wheels, tires, suspension, performance accessories for your Cummins, Ford, Chevy, Toyota, whatever you guys got, customoffsets.com, let's hop to it. Obviously, I pulled out my handy dandy iPhone because, let's be honest, whether it's you guys or me, there's a lot of freaking parts on both these trucks, and I need my phone. I try to memorize it, there's no freaking way, there's just way too many parts. So now they're both 2012 Cummins. One is a Laramie Mega Cab, another one being an ST base model long bed. So a little bit different on both sides of the things, but let's hop into the parts list. So first up, we got Jacob Strange here. He actually does a lot of our gallery ads. You guys have seen this truck before on our socials, and we're gonna run through what he all has done on this truck. So first off, let's kick it off with the lift kit. What he has is actually a Tough Country lift kit. Now, we actually don't sell Tough Country on our website. This actually came on the truck, and he plans to swap it out. But for the purposes of this video, Tough Country lift kit comes in at $1,139 for his 6-inch rough. Do I keep saying rough country? I do. Add that to our tracker on the screen, and we're about to start doing a lot of math, dude. All right, let's hop into the wheels and tires. So the wheels are actually gonna be some XD8 25 bucks, 20 by 10, -24 offset. Those are gonna run about $1,644. Now, they're actually wrapped in a hand-cooked Dynapro MT2 in a 37 13.5 R20, which came out to $1,935. We're already starting to add quite a bit of money up on this daily driver build. So now Jake actually had some amp research steps, which we do have on our website. You guys can go pick those up. That way you can hop in this truck nice and easy. Those actually come in about $1,400. Moving down the side, he also has some paint to match fender flares, which come out to about $750 with paint. I think they come out about $400, give or take $300 for paint, and that adds some more onto his build. Jake also has a MBRP 5-inch exhaust as well, and that's gonna be a catback exhaust coming in at $840. Last but not least, he also has a Gen Y hitch. It's their Mega Duty 16K drop hitch, and that came in at $618. That pretty much sums it up for Jake's build, and if we get the grand total, it comes out to $8,864 for his 6-inch lifted 3500 Cummins Mega Cab Laramie daily driver build. So not too bad, but we've got a lot to list on the next one. Let's go take a look at Rainey's. All right, so next up we have Rainey's show build compared to the daily driver that we just covered, and we're gonna take a look at the list of parts. And by what I mean by take a look at the list of parts, if the camera can see that, I mean, he's got a lot of parts, all right? So we got a lot of math to do. Videographers, put the counter up on the screen so these people can see how much Rainey has into his show build Cummins. All right, first thing, we gotta cover the lift kit, as I said over there, in order to fit massive 24s and 40s and everything else on this crazy tall Cummins. The thing had to be lifted. So Rainey actually has an 8-inch McGaughy's premium long arm kit with a 2.5-inch leveling kit stacked as well. Everything on this truck is powder coated Illusion purple, and that's kind of covered in all the price. So I'm just gonna get that out of the way now. Everything's freaking purple. We love purple around here, and that is just in the price. So for his lift kit, it was $2,975 along with a $275 leveling kit. So we're already upwards over $3,000, which is a third of the price already. Just his lift kit is a third of the price of the daily driver build. So anyways, let's keep it moving. All right, next up, we do have his wheels and tires as well. He's got the Archon Crown Series Triumphs in chrome in a 24 by 14 -81 offset. Those ended up coming out to $2,909, and he's also got them wrapped in some 40s. It's gonna be Fury's Country Hunter MTs, and that is going to come out to $3,425. Powder coated illusion purple axles and accessories. As I stated, everything under this truck is illusion purple. That came out to $2,000. You guys wanna ball for the gram, get your axles powder coated. I wanna do the same thing. It's a lot of work. $2,000. Moving on, Morimoto XB headlights. These puppies right here ran him $1,515. Moving down, we also have Retro Shop LLC 5th Gen tails that are smoked out. That came out to $1,100. I remember when Rainey got these things in, right away we went out and did a photo and video shoot, and these things look fantastic on this 4th Gen. When you do the 5th Gen tails on the 4th Gen, it looks so spicy. So along with his 5th Gen taillights, he actually went and added a 5th Gen rear bumper as well. I remember when he got his Cummins, I was actually kind of beat up in the rear, and he went out and got a 5th Gen bumper to really tie in with his 5th Gen tails, making that rear end look super spicy and really good. That bumper came out to $250. Next up, we have tint. Tint all the way around. It's absolutely gross, the percentage that this man has on his Cummins. It's like 5%, 3 times over each other, something like that. It's insane. It's about $750. You can't see out of the thing.
What percent of tint do you have on your spray paint?
That's 5 over 2 layers of 20.
What the f? Why? You don't want to see out? That's insane. What the f is the point of the windows? It's dark as f in here. What are you building, a coffin?
Next up on our list, we actually have some Recon cab lights up top, and those ran Rainey about $300. Now at night, Rainey's absolutely lighting up the road. He actually has a 20-piece rock light kit underneath this thing from Black Label Lighting, and that ran him $650. I have 16. He probably had to do 20 for extra 4 because long bed, whatever. Nonetheless, this thing still lights up the road. Next up on the list, he actually has Flight Fab track bars, also powder coated in illusion purple. Those came out to $900. They look fantastic. And he's also got some Flight Fab tow hooks as well up front here. They're actually polished, that came in around $309. Now he also has Diode Dynamics SS3 Pro fog lights up here in the bumper as well, staying up in the front there. And those actually came out to $340. Now moving into some of the front suspension, there's actually quite a bit of components. He's got a Thurn Fab front track bar that came in at $370. He's also got a Thurn Fab X HD steering, as well as tie rods from them that came in around $480. So a lot of steering components up front. He's also got some Dynatrac HD ball joints that came in at $880. There's a reason why Rainey always brags about how much steering components and how much money is spent in the steering on this thing. And there's a reason why this thing rides so well down the street, because he puts so much money into the steering components and suspension components on this thing. He's also got a nice shiny Renegade Diesel Performance one-piece drive shaft under there that he usually keeps pretty polished up. That came in around $1,000 and also looks fantastic. He's got an EasyLink 2 tuner with CTT tunes loaded into this thing. He's also got a Laramie Longhorn Stitch interior swap. So the tuner came out to $1,600. The interior swap came out to $5,000. And then he's got this whole thing wrapped some sort of version of white, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Came out to about $2,000. Do you guys even want to know? I'm sure the number's up on the screen right now. $30,828 freaking dollars Rainey has stuffed into this 2012 Cummins. Freaking insane. So that's gonna kind of show you guys the difference between a daily driver build and a show build, and just how much you can actually do to a lot of trucks. It's a little bit of a different video. It's a little bit more of a fun video, a real price breakdown, which you guys are always asking for. So this time we were able to do that and really pin these two trucks up against each other. It's pretty freaking crazy when you actually add everything up. That's what we got for you guys on today's video. If you guys want to see us pin maybe 2 Silverados against each other, 2 F-150s against each other, there's a ton of trucks on the lot here, and we definitely can do that. But you guys got to blow this video up, share it with a Cummins friend, share it with any of your friends so they can see this thing. And if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, performance accessories, or literally anything for your truck, CustomOffsets.com. We'll see y'all on the next one.